Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones Creative Zen Pro on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to the search, click on the search line and write Creative. Then search and install the application. Now open it. Hello. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.